Now we're going to go through the cleaning and disinfection process. This process is important to keep the device functioning properly, to prevent any unnecessary wear and tear on the device, but most importantly, to prevent any disease transmission between patients. If the cleaning and disinfection process is not done appropriately between every patient, there is the possibility of transmitting certain infections such as HIV, hepatitis B, and hepatitis C between patients.
It's important for the cleaning and disinfection process that you have all the appropriate materials before you start the process of cleaning and performing these procedures. So first, as a reminder, always have gloves. As you do the cleaning, it's very important to make sure you're using gloves yourself so that you protect your hands.
Next, we're going to disassemble the unit. We've already removed it from any power source. We are going to remove the protective sheath as well as the probe. Next, the handle that cannot be submerged, we are going to wipe down with a disinfectant cloth.
There are 5 basic steps to the high-level disinfection of the probes: wipe and rinse, short soak, rinse, dry, and inspect, long soak, and then the final wash and dry. The first step is to prepare the probes for washing and disinfection. Disconnect the units from the handle and wash them with a soft medical brush under clean water to make sure that they are free from any visible contamination or adhering tissue. You must use a very soft brush for this step, otherwise there is a risk of damaging the probe tip. Please be aware that the next steps in cleaning and disinfection can only be completed when there's no visible contamination or adhering tissue on the surface. The second step is a short soak of 5 minutes in a high-level disinfectant. Fill a container with cytozyme solution at least 3 centimeters deep. Place the washed probes into the cytozyme, ensuring that the probes are completely submerged and that no air bubbles are sticking to the surface of the probes, and that the disinfecting solution covers every single surface of the probe. Leave the units immersed in the cytozyme bath for 5 minutes. If other solutions are used, please follow the instructions from their manufacturers. The third step will be to rinse, dry, and inspect the probes. After the successful cleaning, wash the units under clean water shortly, then dry them with a clean paper or cloth and inspect them again to confirm that there's no more visible contamination. The fourth step is a long soak in a high-level disinfectant. Prepare a container with Sidex OPA HLD solution, at least 3 centimeters deep. Ensure that all the information of the disinfection process prescribed by the manufacturer of the disinfectant used is observed. Place the dried units in the disinfecting solution and ensure that the entire probes are submerged and completely enclosed. Ensure that no air bubbles stick to the probe surface and that the disinfecting solution covers all surfaces. Leave the units immersed in the high-level disinfectant bath for at least 15 minutes. If other disinfecting solutions are used, follow the instructions of the manufacturers. The fifth step is a final wash and dry. Remove the probes from the disinfectant bath and place them in a third container. Pour sterile water or water that has been boiled and cooled in order to clean it on top of the probes until the entire units are submerged. Leave the units in this water bath for 1 minute. Remove the units from the bath and dry them in a disinfected environment with a clean cloth. Pay particular attention that the plug at the end of the probe is dry.